Hello, fellow explorers of the knowledge cosmos. Welcome to Paperledge, where we transform cutting-edge academic research into stories that stick. I'm Ernis, your friendly neighborhood guide to the fascinating world of, well, everything. Today, we're diving headfirst into a paper that's causing quite a stir in the AI community. It's titled, AgentFold, Long Horizon Web Agents with Proactive Context Management. Now, you might be wondering, Ernis, what in the name of Ada Lovelace is AgentFold? Fear not, my curious friends. Imagine a cosmic librarian, tirelessly sifting through mountains of information to answer your burning questions. But this librarian, instead of drowning in paperwork, has a super power, the ability to fold space and time. They can compress entire universes of data into neat, little mental origami. That, in essence, is what AgentFold does. This paper tackles a huge problem in AI, context management. See, these AI web agents, they're designed to seek out information for us, right? But when tasks get complex, like planning a cross-country road trip or writing a detailed research report, the AI's memory gets overloaded. It's like trying to pack your entire house into a carry-on suitcase. So, the researchers, Rui Yi, Zhongwang Zhang, and the whole brilliant team from Tongyi Lab at Alibaba Group, they came up with AgentFold. Their key idea? Treat the AI's context not as a passive log, but as a dynamic cognitive workspace. Let's build ourselves a memory palace to understand this, shall we? Picture a grand, sprawling castle, each room representing a different aspect of AgentFold's architecture. First, we enter the question hall. This is where the AI receives the user's query, the driving force behind its quest. Imagine it as the castle's foundation, the bedrock upon which everything else is built. Next, we venture into the tool arsenal. Here, the AI has access to all its instruments, search engines, APIs, databases, everything it needs to interact with the digital world. Think of it as the armory, stocked with every weapon and gadget imaginable. Now, this is where things get interesting. We step into the Hall of Multi-Scale State Summaries. This isn't just a dusty archive, it's a living, breathing record of the AI's journey. It contains folded memories, summarized snippets of past actions and observations, carefully curated to preserve the most important information. It's like a collection of meticulously crafted scrolls, each telling a different chapter of the story. And finally, we arrive at the latest interaction chamber. This is the AI's immediate workspace, where it keeps the full, unedited record of its most recent actions. It's the messy desk where the AI is currently working, complete with scribbled notes and half-finished calculations. So, how does AgentFold actually fold its context? Well, at each step, it performs a folding operation on its historical trajectory. Think of it like origami. The AI learns to selectively compress and abstract away information, creating a more concise and focused representation of its past. Now, this folding comes in two flavors: granular condensation and deep consolidation. Let's dedicate a room in our memory palace to each of them. In the granular condensation studio, imagine tiny robots meticulously extracting the most essential details from the latest interaction chamber, condensing them into a succinct summary and adding it to the Hall of Multi-Scale State Summaries. This preserves vital, fine-grained details without cluttering the AI's immediate workspace. But what about those long, winding subtasks that ultimately lead nowhere? That's where the deep consolidation vault comes in. Imagine a giant cosmic press, crushing entire blocks of past interactions into a single, highly abstracted summary. This allows the AI to prune away irrelevant information, keeping its cognitive workspace lean and efficient. It's like Marie Kondo for AI. Does this spark joy? No? Then, poof, it's gone. The results? Absolutely mind-blowing. The researchers tested AgentFold on a bunch of challenging web-based tasks, and it crushed the competition. It not only surpassed existing open-source models, but also went toe-to-toe with proprietary systems from the likes of OpenAI. And here's the kicker, AgentFold achieves all of this without relying on massive amounts of pre-training or reinforcement learning. It's like teaching someone to play chess, not by having them memorize millions of games, but by teaching them the fundamental principles of strategy. So, what does this all mean for the future of AI? Well, AgentFold represents a major step towards building more robust, efficient, and scalable web agents. It shows us that context management is not just an afterthought, it's a core component of intelligent behavior. By learning to proactively shape its own cognitive workspace, AgentFold can tackle complex, long-horizon tasks that are simply beyond the reach of traditional AI systems. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ernie, this is all fascinating, but what can I actually do with this information? Well, my curious friends, that's entirely up to you. Perhaps you're a researcher looking for inspiration for your next project. Maybe you're a student eager to delve deeper into the mysteries of AI. Or maybe you're just someone who's fascinated by the boundless potential of human ingenuity. Whatever your motivation, I encourage you to explore the world of AgentFold. Read the paper, experiment with the code, and see what new wonders you can uncover. Because in the end, the true magic of science lies not just in understanding the universe, but in using that understanding to build a better future for all. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep folding space and time. This is Ernie, signing off from Paper Ledge.